It's so windy right now. Look at how my cushions are all over the place. And this is how I actually lost one of these cushions. And there's no way I could get just one. I need to buy the whole set all over again if I needed that one. I tried to buy a separate one. It didn't fit. It was crazy. Oh my God. Look at that. It spilled all the plant soil, so the soil is right down there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so messy. Wait, let's see. Do you see that? There's so much soil over there. My lanterns are down and everything. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday 11. I'm starting my day late. I planned to start my day early, but I had okay, I actually started today early. I was just doing some crazy important stuff that I didn't actually vlog, but I'm going to vlog today, okay? Today and tomorrow, and I'll see when I'll stop vlogging. I don't know if I can do a whole week, you guys. This is something I need to get used to, okay? Weekly vlogs, because I forget to pick up the camera sometimes, and sometimes I just want to be in bed, so it's like kind of boring. I'm trying to do more stuff now. So today's agenda, I have no appointments today, so I have content to work on, TikTok content, PR packages to film for. I want to tackle at least 5 videos today. Self-care videos. I have a week to glue on so that I could film that for TikTok. I have some skincare to review, and yeah, some other stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll figure it out, okay? We'll figure it out together. I need to cook. I actually want to make some chicken, a whole chicken today. It's frozen right now, so I need to take it out of the freezer and put it in the sink so that it could defrost. I want to start cooking by 4 p.m. I want to start cooking by no, but then if I have to roast it, I will start cooking maybe at 2, so I could roast it for hours. You know what I'm saying? So we could have a soft chicken. But anyway, I was thinking chicken and rice. For vegetables, I don't think we have any vegetables in the house right now. Ooh. So no vegetables. I have to order that. I'm going to order that through Walmart delivery. I was gonna do DoorDash, but I feel like I'll just order it through the app. I'll just order it through the Walmart app. Get some veggies. I don't know what veggies I want to do. I'm gonna go on TikTok and just see what people are cooking today. What food comes up on my what food comes up on my For You page, because I love to get some ideas off of the internet if I don't know what to cook. It's so exhausting thinking of what to cook every day. Like it's so exhausting. I cannot. And to think I have to cook every day, well, not necessarily, but I have to cook every time, because if I don't cook every time, I'm gonna be hungry and then I'll die. That's what I'm talking about. I hate consistency, because everything in life is just, what am I even saying? My brain is foggy. Everything in everything in life requires consistency. Literally everything, if you think about it. Everything. I can't just go to the gym and get my body. I have to keep going to the gym to keep that body. I have to eat every day to keep alive. I have to shower every day to not stink. Everything is consistency. Consistency. And I can't. Anyway, let me take out the chicken. You know what? I actually did DoorDash some groceries yesterday, but I just forgot. But I forgot I actually DoorDashed this stuff yesterday: the onions, the rice, some cilantro, some lime, some parsley, some beans, cilantro, and tomatoes. But I forgot to buy the vegetables. Who does that? So I already cleaned the kitchen. I just need to put up the plates now. I already did the dishes yesterday night. You know, I wasn't a girl that used to clean the kitchen like before sleeping, but it's so helpful when you wake up to a clean kitchen. You're thinking clean, you're thinking fresh, the day is fresh. So I need to do that more often and I need to do that more often and make it my habit, so that I could just, freely do it without even thinking about it. Yeah, so what else? We have PR to open. I have some PR there to open. That other stuff over there is already open, and I need to open this and see what guys, life is so hard. Like, I'm behind. I'm so much behind. I feel like everything is happening at once. Like, I'm behind with the PR video release, and these companies are on my ass. Like, where's the content? And it's just so much. It's so much. My life is so busy. I am so busy. I can't. I'm exhausted, but I just want to relax today. I can't even say I want to relax because I'm working, really. I'm vlogging. I have to do reviews, so not really, and then cook later. But see, I'm just wasting my time. This is 11:24 already, so much soon. Let's get this chicken out. Let's open up these packages and see what we have. Oh my god, these are shower steamers. They smell, whoa, they smell so good. This package is sealed, but these smell so great. I've never even used those before. Like, I've never ever used shower steamers before, so that's going to be interesting. going to be interesting. If I like it, I'm definitely gonna buy more for my shower routines, you know, to step up like the game a little bit. Damn, this is sealed so tight. Okay, what is this? Oh, it's like a conditioner. It's like a conditioner for hair. I haven't, oh my god, I hate dealing with my natural hair. This is why I put them in cornrows, slap on wigs. But I need to do better. I need to do better with my hair for real. This is probably why I don't like dealing with it, because I don't deal with it. So I got some of these. It's like a conditioner. Let me see how it's going to work, then I'm going to put you guys on. I need to test it out first, okay? What's this? Oh, we got some sunscreen. Oh, and we got some body oil, coconut body oil. Yes. Oh, look at the packaging. That's cute. That's so cute. Oh, okay, they sent me a sample for another product too, so we'll try that as well and see how good it will work. Oh, they sent me 2 different ones. Okay, let's see. We'll see. Summer is coming up. You need those body oils, ladies. Summer is running upon us. Too Faced, please. Ah! I literally just applied for this 2 days ago and they sent it to me. They have their lip oils. Wow. Kissing Jelly Gloss. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, they have a glow one. This is glittery, glowy. Okay, girl. Oh, that smells like bubblegum. Cute. Oh, I've been waiting on this since they asked me if I wanted one, and in exchange for a video I said yeah, let me try this, actually, because I was going to buy it myself from the other reviews I had seen on TikTok. I was gonna buy it myself, but when they reached out to me I said if I don't have to spend my money why not? It's a speaker. It's a speaker, you guys. It's a speaker. Oh my god, I don't want to break nothing. What's wrong with me? Oh, and you can place your phone here, and it's a speaker. Okay, I want to try that. This is a heat protectant. Ooh, and we got some burrito. I love their products. They've sent me so many products in the past. I love their products. You know what? Let's start putting you guys on these. Ooh, we got some cream. We got some moisturizer. My skin is always dry. I love receiving moisturizers. Oh, we got some deep cleansing pore strips for your nose to get them blackheads out, or whiteheads. Period. Period poop. Oh, we got some shampoo. I love this brand. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, we got some masks. We got some face masks. I love face masks. So we unboxed everything now. Let's begin this day for real. It's 11:55. I knew I was going to start by 12. What is wrong with me? I want to install this wig today and see how I like it, if I still want to keep it on tomorrow. But it's from the TikTok shop. I will tag the company. I'll tag the company in the description if you guys want to check it out. Supposed to be a glueless wig, so pretty excited about that. Let's see how this will look. Did it, you guys? Nails done, hair done, lashes done. I need to get my eyebrows professionally done so I can be waking up flawless. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, I need to do some skincare right now and shoot some videos for TikTok, so let me do that real quick. I am actually reviewing Biplane. I don't know if you guys know this brand. I love it so much. So I'll be back. And I have to get this lip tint off now. Oh my goodness, I took so much time, more than I was supposed to. I was supposed to start cooking at 4 p.m. It is now 5:30 to be exact. Like, why am I like this? Why am I so slow? Okay, so we have our mask on, skincare is done, everything's done. I've recorded everything. I'm now going to start making food. We gotta hurry up. Okay, let's.